Hello and welcome. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Messenger mobile app on your Android smartphone. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should work on any Android smartphone. So if you are having a problem with your Messenger mobile app and it is not responding or you can't get the messages, then this process should be able to solve that issue. First, go and tap on Settings. Look for the Apps option and tap on it. From Apps option, look for Manage Apps and tap on it. And this will open all the apps that you have on your mobile phone. And scroll down or scroll down until you get to Messenger. And here is our Messenger app. Tap on it. And from here, we are looking for an option called Clear Data. Here it is. So tap on it. If you still tap on Storage, you will still get Clear Data. We are interested in cache. To do so, you will see the Clear Data option down here. Tap on it. We have Clear All Data and Clear Cache. Go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. So go ahead and clear them by confirming on OK. And our cache has been cleared. You may want to go ahead and restart your smartphone and then launch the app afresh. And from here, it should work normally. So if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.